Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Martian Episode 2 by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, your Mars exploration ship takes you above a particularly rocky area. You will have to review and improve your descent techniques in order to land your Mars rover safely on martian ground. These puzzles works with angle and rotation constraints. You learn to compute the speed of an object using its coordinates at 2 different times. The goal of this problem is to make you work with 2D coordinates in a big environment. You will have to manage and explorate the speed of a ship and make it land on a flat ground at correct speed. I'm using Yoda notation. I've already told about it in one of the previous videos. Also, I've taken double tilde operator instead of Math.round function. The double bitwise shift transforms the input into this, making it a good tilde to round towards 0. It works with 32 bits only and forgets about the fractional part of the number, so don't use this hack on production. Let's dive into the code. Set the initial constants. Read the surface of Mars. By connecting all the points in a structural manner, you form the surface of Mars. Loop the game. Read a horizontal and vertical speed. Correct the course if the spacecraft is not placed above the target. If it goes in wrong direction or moves too fast, adjust the horizontal speed and the angle of incident. If it goes too slow, adjust the horizontal speed and the angle of incident. Accelerate during the landing. If speed is okay, just keep it. If angle of incident is wrong, correct it. Test the code. Well done. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Bender and classes in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive!